Yeah, I'm Chiwoma Simba, the head of Chancellor. We are very happy that our parents have come in numbers to pay school fees since last week. We are also delighted to say they are paying in all currencies that are operational in Zimbabwe. Those who are using the ZiG are happy, they are paying, they are swiping, and payments are going on very well. We have not seen any challenges as of yet. Our lines are big, showing that the response for the parents to pay fees is very positive. We hope we will get larger numbers as the day goes on, and even tomorrow when the schools start. We don't expect any interruptions tomorrow. We expect a smooth opening day as of tomorrow. It is government policy that children should not be sent back home because of school fees. If there are any challenges, then the parent should actually make a payment plan with the school to make sure that the children are accommodated. After all, the larger number of children who cannot pay are actually accommodated under BIM, and we don't expect children to be sent home tomorrow. However, we expect them to bring their receipts so that teachers can also make records of the receipt numbers and everything. But otherwise, children are not going to be sent home tomorrow.
Batsira chaizo kuneva vari kutambira mazig because hapasina nyaya yekumhanya kumboenda kunotsvaga ma-US mutown. Kungouya nezig rako kana kuti wopiwa akaunti unobhadhara kubank. Zvese zvakangonakira mubereki wese, even vari kugovernment, zvinhu zvese zvakangoringana. Tiri kufara nazvo zvikuru. Zita rangoitwa upewe kuti parent womwana anodzidza pano pachancellor. Tiri kufara zvikuru because chikuru chiri kuaccepta mazig necurrent bank rate. Izvi tiri kungobhadhara nyore nyore, hapana kana chiri kumbonetsa.